Hey guys, it's JP back here today, and what we're talking about is our Deluxe battery tray kit. So the first part of the battery tray we have is this black billet hold down. It looks amazing, it looks crisp, it's really gonna freshen up your engine bay. Next we have our stainless steel JBolts that are gonna hold down that battery, and they're just gonna add that little bit of pop, little bit of pizzazz. It's gonna put you over the top. My favorite part about this kit is it comes with the diamond plate battery kit. Okay, we're going a little bit old school here, but it still looks great. Now this shiny little piece of metal is going to add that pop, that extra zing in your step when you're looking in your engine bay. Okay, so when you purchase this kit, you get free shipping for all items, the JBolts, the tray, and the hold down. If you're interested in this kit or any of our other Ford Bronco products, give us a call at 209-400-7200 or visit our website, wildhorses4x4.com.